Welcome back to Info Caretaker. Today, we're looking at 10 jobs AI could replace in 2026. These jobs are not going to vanish overnight. Entire professions won't suddenly disappear. But the technology already exists, companies are already adopting it, and in many industries the wheels are already in motion for parts of these roles to be automated, reduced, or quietly phased out. We're ranking these jobs from number 10 to number 1, based on how exposed they are to AI automation and the size of the global workforce affected. Let's begin. In at number 10 is legal support workers, including paralegals and legal assistants, with a global workforce of around 1.5 million people. Law feels like a safe profession, but much of legal support work isn't about arguments in court. It's about document review, contract analysis, legal research, and filing paperwork. These are exactly the kinds of tasks AI is becoming extremely good at. AI systems can now scan thousands of pages in seconds, identify key clauses, flag risks, and summarize complex legal documents faster than any human team. That doesn't mean lawyers disappear, but it does mean law firms need fewer support staff to do the groundwork. In 2026, many firms will still hire paralegals, just far fewer of them, supported by AI tools that never get tired and never miss details. In at number 9 is travel agents and travel assistants, with a global workforce of roughly 1 to 1.5 million people. This shift has already started. AI can compare flights, optimize prices, recommend hotels, handle cancellations, and answer customer questions around the clock. For basic and mid-level travel planning, humans are no longer the fastest or cheapest option. High-end and luxury travel agents will likely survive because people still value personal experience for expensive trips. But routine travel booking roles are shrinking fast. In 2026, many of these jobs will either be reduced or absorbed entirely into automated platforms. In at number 8 is basic data entry clerks, with an estimated global workforce of 8 to 10 million people. This is one of the most exposed roles on the list. Data entry is repetitive, rule-based, and predictable, which makes it ideal for automation. AI can now extract information from documents, read scanned forms, validate data instantly, and catch errors in real time. In many companies, these jobs aren't being eliminated loudly. They're simply not being replaced when people leave. In 2026, basic data entry roles won't disappear completely, but they will be dramatically smaller, with humans mainly supervising systems rather than doing the typing themselves. In at number 7 is telemarketers and routine sales assistants, with a global workforce of over 10 million people. This role has been under pressure for years, but AI is accelerating that decline fast. Modern AI systems can already make outbound calls, follow scripts perfectly, respond to objections, and even adjust tone based on how a customer reacts. They don't get tired, they don't need breaks, and they can run 24 hours a day. For companies, the math is simple. AI-driven sales systems are cheaper, faster, and far more scalable than human call centers. While complex sales will still need humans, routine sales and telemarketing roles are being automated at speed. In 2026, many of these jobs will exist only in reduced numbers or niche situations. In at number 6 is retail cashiers and checkout clerks, employing roughly 10 to 12 million people worldwide. Self-checkout machines were only the beginning. AI-powered checkout systems can now recognize items automatically, detect theft, process payments, and even manage inventory in real time. Some stores are already experimenting with fully automated shopping experiences where customers simply walk in, pick up items, and leave. Cashiers won't disappear everywhere, but the number of human checkout roles is shrinking year after year. In 2026, many retailers will operate with minimal staff on the floor, relying heavily on AI to handle transactions and reduce labor costs. In at number 5 is customer service representatives, with a global workforce of more than 12 million people. Customer service is one of the biggest targets for AI because it's expensive to run and heavily repetitive. AI chatbots and voice assistants can now handle refunds, troubleshoot common problems, manage accounts, and even escalate issues when needed. Most customers already interact with AI without realizing it. In 2026, human agents will mainly deal with complex or emotional cases, while AI handles the majority of everyday interactions. This doesn't mean customer service disappears, but it does mean far fewer humans are needed to keep things running. In at number 4 is administrative assistants and office clerks, with a global workforce of roughly 15 to 18 million people. This role exists in almost every industry, which is exactly why it's so exposed. Scheduling meetings, managing emails, organizing documents, processing forms, and updating records are all tasks AI can already do faster and with fewer errors. Many companies are now using AI tools as digital assistants that quietly take over these responsibilities in the background. In 2026, administrative roles won't disappear completely, but one AI system will often replace several entry-level office positions. The remaining jobs will focus more on coordination and decision-making rather than routine admin work. In at number 3 is accountants and auditors who focus on routine tasks, with an estimated global workforce of 20 to 24 million people. AI is already handling bookkeeping, invoice processing, tax preparation, and financial reporting at scale. What used to require entire accounting teams can now be done automatically, with humans stepping in mainly to review results or handle complex cases. Highly specialized accountants and financial advisors will still be in demand, but routine accounting work is being automated fast. In 2026, many junior and mid-level accounting roles will be reduced as companies rely more heavily on AI-driven financial systems. In at number 2 is financial clerks and basic bank workers, employing around 25 to 30 million people worldwide. Banks are under constant pressure to cut costs, and AI offers the perfect solution. Account management, loan processing, fraud detection, and customer onboarding are increasingly handled by automated systems. Physical bank branches are closing in many regions, and digital banking is becoming the default. In 2026, basic banking roles will continue to decline as more customers move online and AI systems take over routine financial operations. Humans will still exist in finance, but far fewer will be needed for everyday banking tasks. In at number 1 is manufacturing and routine production workers, with a massive global workforce of 60 to 90 million people. This is where AI and automation will have the biggest impact in terms of sheer numbers. Factories around the world are already using AI-powered robots for assembly, packaging, quality control, and logistics. These systems can work around the clock, operate with extreme precision, and dramatically reduce long-term costs. What makes manufacturing especially vulnerable is that once automation is installed, it rarely goes backwards. Each upgrade makes the next one easier. In 2026, many factories will still employ humans, but far fewer than they do today, with workers increasingly supervising machines rather than performing physical tasks themselves. This doesn't mean manufacturing disappears, it means it changes. The demand will shift toward technicians, engineers, and AI supervisors, while routine production roles continue to decline. And that's the key message of this video. AI isn't replacing people all at once. It's quietly replacing tasks. But when enough tasks disappear, jobs change or vanish entirely. If you work in one of these roles, the most important thing you can do is stay adaptable, learn new skills, and understand how AI is being used in your industry rather than ignoring it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to Info Caretaker, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for watching.